Well, I couldn't record an intro before I got out on the water today. There was just a bunch of people around in their cars and stuff, and they were already staring at me. So I didn't want to pull out a camera, start recording. I hate having that conversation. When people stop and ask you, "Oh, what are you doing? Blah, blah, what do you record for?" It's just annoying. But anyway, I don't have to work today, but I have a ton of crap to do. So, I decided to go out for about an hour this morning, 6 to 7. Fished a Whopper Plopper on a pond. Yeah, if you've been watching videos on this channel for a while, it's a pond that you've seen a lot of. Sorry about that. But it was close and just something easy to get to. But this weekend, I'll be going to Horsetooth tomorrow, and then a new lake that we've never been to on Sunday. So hopefully some good boat footage and all that stuff. Here's the Whopper Plopper stuff. Oh, you fucker. See if I can actually get this one in. Don't fucking hit me. Stop. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish. Turn up my fucking drag. Jesus. Feisty son of a bitch. What the fuck, drag? They got me wrapped around something. Oh, you fucker.